Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Garden Gnomes is probably one of the most whimsical and delightful additions you can make to your outdoor space, transforming an ordinary lawn or patio into a vibrant, personality-filled wonderland that sparks joy and conversation among guests and passersby alike, offering a touch of magic and humor that brightens every corner of your garden. Number 5. Qeeman Solar Cat Garden Decor. Introducing a delightful solar-powered cat statue, designed to bring charm and light to your outdoor spaces. It's the perfect addition to any garden, patio, or balcony. Enjoy up to 10 hours of automatic illumination each night with just a 6-hour daytime charge. Say goodbye to the hassle and cost of batteries. Crafted from durable, weatherproof resin, this statue is designed to resist fading, cracking, and strong winds. It's built to last for years, no matter the weather. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only seconds with its lightweight design and stable base. An independent switch makes operation simple and convenient. Packaged in a custom gift box, it makes a wonderful present for loved ones. Its cheerful presence is sure to bring a smile and brighten their day. Save on battery costs and reduce your environmental impact. This solar-powered decoration is both economical and eco-conscious. What we like. This solar cat lantern offers automatic illumination for up to 10 hours after a 6-hour charge, eliminating battery replacement hassles. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, eco-friendly garden accent that brings a smile, this is a perfect choice. Its durable, weatherproof design ensures it withstands the elements, making it ideal for those who appreciate both charm and practicality in their outdoor space. What people say. The expression is so lifelike, and the details are exquisite. It's perfect for my little yard. The lights are also beautiful and last a long time. The dragon is super cute and it only required a few hours in the sunlight to charge up its battery. The small ball lit up making it look like a crystal ball. This statue is the right size, its lamp sheds a good amount of light and, to add aesthetics to functionality, the entire ensemble is cute. Number 4. Funny Gardening Metal Sign, Women's Garden Gift. Looking for a unique gift for the gardener in your life? This funny metal sign adds a touch of humor to any outdoor space, making it a perfect present for those who love gardening or quirky decor. It's an ideal present for women who enjoy gardening or appreciate humorous home accents. This sign is sure to bring a smile to their face. This vintage-style metal sign is perfect for decorating your garden, backyard, patio, or porch. It brings a charming and humorous touch to any outdoor area. Crafted from durable aluminum with a glossy finish, this sign boasts bright, fade-resistant colors. It's weather-resistant for both indoor and outdoor display, ensuring it stays vibrant for years. Measuring 8 by 12 inches, it comes with pre-drilled holes for effortless hanging. You can easily display it on a wall, fence, or garden shed. This makes a great gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or housewarming parties. Add a unique and playful touch to any outdoor space with this delightful sign. What we like. This funny metal sign brings a unique touch of humor to any garden with its witty gardening because murder is wrong message. If you appreciate a good laugh and want to add personality to your yard, patio, or porch, this sign is a fantastic option. Its high-quality, weather-resistant aluminum construction ensures it will remain a conversation starter for years to come. What people say. It is a decent size and the holes in the corners made it easy to hang up. This sign is sturdy and makes a perfect statement. Very nice detail and picture as well. Sturdy material. Great color, not light or faded looking. Number 3. Juvale Mini Garden Gnomes Yoga Gift Set. Elevate your garden decor with this delightful set of mini garden gnomes. Perfectly sized for plant pots and terraces, each gnome adds a whimsical touch to your space. Crafted from durable poly resin, these gnome figurines are built to withstand the elements. Their resilience complements their charming design, making them a perfect addition to any yard. These mini gnomes are perfect for enhancing your front yard, backyard, or balcony with a touch of humor and charm. Create a unique fairy garden or simply enjoy their presence. Delight gardening enthusiasts with this set of funny gnomes. They are an ideal gift for yoga lovers or those who appreciate quirky accents, making them a standout choice for any occasion. Each miniature gnome measures between 1 to 2 inches, making them easy to place among your existing garden accessories. Their compact size allows for creative arrangements and endless decorative possibilities. What we like? This set of 4 mini garden gnomes, each about 1 to 2 inches tall, adds a whimsical touch to plant pots and terraces. If you love collecting charming, quirky garden accessories or are looking for a unique gift for a yoga enthusiast, these are ideal. Their compact size allows for creative placement, and their durable polyresin build ensures they can handle various weather conditions. What people say. Small in size, which is perfect in my bathroom. Super cute. I should have looked at the description a little better because they were way smaller than I thought. They were so tiny. Better than I could have imagined. So cute and small and perfect for small potted plants indoor and outdoor. 10/10 recommend. Number 2. Gnome Garden Decor Statue with Lantern Light. Add a touch of whimsy to your garden with this delightful gnome statue. It's designed to bring a smile to your face and charm to your outdoor space. Simply switch it on and let the sun do the work. It automatically illuminates your garden at night, providing a warm and inviting glow. This gnome, holding a lantern, brings a unique and playful element to your garden decor. It's also a charming accent piece for your living room. Crafted for durability, it's built to withstand various weather conditions, including snow, rain, and sunshine. Its waterproof design ensures long-lasting enjoyment. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This solar statue makes a wonderful present for Thanksgiving, Christmas, anniversaries, or housewarmings for anyone special. We are confident you'll love this garden decoration. If you're not completely satisfied within 30 days, we'll gladly resolve any issues. What we like? This solar-powered gnome statue features a built-in lantern that automatically lights up at night, adding a magical glow to your garden. If you're seeking a delightful and easy-to-manage garden decoration that provides both charm and illumination, this is a wonderful choice. Its durable, waterproof construction means it's built to last through different seasons, making it a great gift for moms or anyone who loves a touch of whimsy. What people say. He sits on a post so I can see his little light shine every night. It is solar-powered, so no worries about charging him or anything. Super cute and really lights up for a long time in the evening. It works great and is taller than most, which I was looking for. Number 1. OwMell Gnome Statue, Coffee. Meet this smiling gnome, relaxing in a rocking chair with a coffee cup. It's designed to bring vigor, fun, and relaxation to your garden or home. Crafted from high-quality resin, this figurine is hand-painted for a detailed look. It's built to last and withstand various weather conditions. Measuring 7.3 by 4.7 by 5.9 inches and weighing 1.4 pounds, it's the ideal size for various decorative settings. This charming statue is perfect for any space, including your home, kitchen, cafe, bar, or outdoor areas like your garden, porch, patio, and lawn. It comes safely packaged, making it an ideal gift for gnome collectors, garden enthusiasts, family, and friends. What we like? This gnome statue depicts a charming scene of a gnome relaxing with a cup of coffee, bringing a sense of fun and relaxation to your garden. If you're looking for a unique and humorous ornament to add personality to your outdoor space or a special gift for a gnome collector, this is a great pick. Made from durable, hand-painted resin, it's weather-resistant and perfect for patios, lawns, or even indoor coffee nooks. What people say. It is super cute and good quality. Has some weight to it. The size is perfect so that she can use it inside or outside on her patio garden. Love the detail with the gnome holding the coffee cup. The quality is excellent, colors are vibrant, and he is the perfect size to sit smiling beside our Keurig machine. Adds a smile to coffee time every morning. Very well made. Sits on my desk at work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.